Warning all nationalists must hear this. The next 1.5 years will decide India's destiny. China, Pakistan, and the USA's deep state are operating at full throttle inside India. If we don't stay alert, we could face a Bangladesh-style collapse right here at home. The CIA has launched Operation Diversion, Deception, and Division. They have 12 to 16 months to break BJP from within, create confusion in RSS ranks, and ultimately achieve Modi must go. They've allegedly selected 32 to 38 MPs and 20 to 42 opposition leaders to work for them. Over the last few days, you've seen the signs. Rahul Gandhi pushing fake news against the ECI and the government to mislead you. Congress protests in Delhi. Anti-India social media handles amplifying propaganda. A repeated, dangerous narrative. If the ECI and government don't answer, there could be civil war, a direct CIA-style destabilization tactic. If this doesn't stop, here's what's coming. Student protests mixed with illegal Bangladeshis, Rohingyas, sleeper cells. Coordinated misinformation from opposition leaders that escalate chaos. Simultaneous protests in the name of culture, art, and religion across multiple cities. Stock market manipulation, like Jane Street style, to shake investor confidence and shake India's economy. International media propaganda, framing India as punishing peaceful students to damage our global image. Loudspeaker my message to every Indian. You have smartphones. You have social media. Use them for your country.